Hello, welcome back to KK's Voxel Lab. Today let me show you how to make a simple car moving animation. The animation contains two options. The first is with only wheel revolving, and the second with wheel revolving and body shaking, like off-road vehicle. As you can see, I've created a simple car model with body and wheels separately. Although it's simple, it's a complete car with all features. You can guess which brand it is and leave a comment. I even separate the roof to put seats and visor in it. We'd better join all the parts except wheels to one part because they will move together later. Create a keyframe of body and tap F5 to update the editing. For the body, let's add shake on it. Use position on right panel and add 1 pixel move on Z-axis. The up and down move needs at least 2 frames. Remember to tap F5 or click the plus button on animation panel after any edit. Otherwise the edit will not be saved. Click the loop button if you need it move in cycle. Since Magicavoxel's panel don't have a play button, I usually drag mouse to preview the animation. Next, let's make the wheels revolve. The inner part of the wheel is extremely simple, so use the rotate 90 is enough. After finishing the internal move, let's continue to move the position. Firstly, we need to group all objects so that they can be moved together. We only need to create keyframes of beginning and ending position of each move. I usually check the animation at the first stage so I can find mistakes earlier. Go to Render page and switch to Animation Render, set the end time to 10 because we have 10 frames. Click Render. Magicavoxel cannot export videos, but we can export images. Let's set the image quality to 100 to render faster. If you are satisfied with the result, you can set it to better quality such as 2000 or more. It will take a long time to render depending on size and quality. But 100 to 500 is enough to check whether the content is good. To merge images to the animation, you can use Photoshop to create a GIF, or use video edit softwares like Adobe Premiere or DaVinci Resolve. Premiere is powerful if you can afford it. I usually use DaVinci because it is free and quick. Drag and drop the images to the timeline and merge it to a movie clip so that you can modify the speed, and other retouches will be easier. As you can see, the biggest problem is lag. Because we have very little frames per second. We can improve it by shorten the distance or add more frames or both. In addition, move from right to left is boring, let's add more moves and make it loop. It will take some time to adjust the position for a natural move. You can trust your experience or find some reference. Now the length is expand to 40 frames. Update animation in DaVinci and check. Change to a reasonable speed. The animation looks okay, but maybe not smooth enough. Because the limit of animation is 120 frames, I think we should make the most of it. That means, the frames will increase and the animation will be smooth. By the way, change the HDR at Sky panel will influence the environment dramatically. And let's make the glass part not so noisy. can say it's much better. You can continue to make more move in this way. Like change the car type or path. And add some surroundings like buildings and trees. You can even make a walking zombie in this way. That will be cool. Let me give you an example. Remember, if you want other objects move with the car, you should put it in a group of the car, so that they will have the same move you put on the car. like today's tutorial? Please subscribe, and I am glad to hear any comments and suggestions, and see you next time.